the Bitcoin breakout here. See if I can share all this. Bullish activity abound, that's right, Crypto Soldier. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick, guys. Alright. I think I kind of drew this for you guys last night. We were in downslope consolidation, a little inverse head and shoulders pattern here that we're kind of playing out. And I don't know if you guys can see my target up here, but my target for this move is 13,686. If we get a candle body to close above, what is this, 13... I think we're going to 14K. How about that? Hang on a second, I just want to make sure I'm live on... I want to make sure I'm live here. Wonder if it does it sound shitty? I want to make sure I'm live here. Well, get your tea out, ladies and gentlemen, because we got we're in for a little ride here tonight. Right, so let's go back to the BTC chart here. Let's change this to like regular candles. Yeah, so we had this down sloping consolidation, you know, that we were talking about the other day. This is kind of the neckline. Let me just redraw this because it looks kind of crappy. So you could call this a descending broadening wedge, or you could call this a falling wedge pattern. All right. Or just a downsloping consolidation. You know, this was the falling wedge that we broke out of. All right. but how you doing, Ace? Thanks for supporting me, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. So, yeah, I think I kind of drew this out for you guys yesterday, but basically this was the neckline that we broke right here, right? Now I posted a trade setup in the Discord for Chainlink. Where did I put that? I think I did it under USDC. Link USDC. Here we go. All right, yeah. So here's the channel that I drew. I have a lot going on this chart right now. Fix this up for you guys. Yeah. Okay. So so here's the flag, right? You got the flag that starts down here. This flag is if we go candle close to candle close, about 80%. Okay. I know I put 90% as kind of the bottom of the flag to the top, the very top of the flag, right? So we're in this kind of bullish pennant, if you will. Right. So here's our flag. Okay. Call it an ascending triangle, a flag, whatever, or whatever you want to call that. But essentially, it's a big bullish flag. Where's the damn Jesus chimes? Listen, man. Here's your 90% measured move on Chainlink. Okay. So Chainlink out of the break here, we're looking at about a 90% move. Okay. Ooh. There it is. There's your Chainlink. Okay. Now we could have the same move down, but it's more likely to break up than break down because we're in an uptrend, right? So we go to a daily, right? You did? No, you didn't. How do I... Let's see. Stream elements. I did just receive a tip from you. Thank you, Ace. How come it doesn't show on my stream elements? Because you went to like the actual website, right? Thanks, Ace. Appreciate it. Appreciate the 420. Is that a joint? Alright, so let's look at the entire move here for... Because I don't have Super Chat, man. I don't have Super Chat. I need 4,000 hours of watched content. Yeah, I know, right? Hey, man, I'll get there, alright? I'll get there. With all your guys' support, I'll definitely be there a lot sooner than later. So, I just want to show you guys the whole move here on Chainlink, not just a small scale little flag here that we got. All right, we've got an entire move here that is about to happen. Okay. If we go from the bottom of this channel, is that a joint? We go from the bottom of this channel, right, guys? The bottom of the channel to the top. We're looking at about a 323% move, okay? Maybe a little bit more. Okay, you know, maybe I cut some of this off, but from candle close to candle close, 376%. You guys see that? Top to bottom on this, all right? Top to bottom. 376%, okay? So 376% is the whole move, okay guys? The whole move. Yeah. Anyways, $10.42 is the measured move out of this wedge. The whole move, right? Anyways, chain link. Kangs. All right, Ace. Let's look at the DXY. I think we established last night that we had some bullish momentum on the dollar. Let's take a look at that right now. See how we did on our analysis yesterday. Looks like we had a bit of an unchanged day. What's that? What are we wowing about? 7 viewers. Let's do JNug. JNug, alright, JNug. JNugget. Wow. Huge gap up, huh, over here? What was this? This was June 20th. We had a huge gap up, so did we fill the whole gap? Not yet. Looks like we got some room to drop on JNug. Right? What happened here? There we go. Okay, so we're on log. Let's go to a weekly. I'm not sure what all this is. Sorry for the mess on the chart, guys. Okay. JNug. We go to our previous most discernible swing high to our swing low. Okay. Well, we haven't really even established a low because we haven't. Let's get off log scale. We haven't even really established a low because we haven't even tested the 236, guys. So for us to really have an established low, we need to test that 236 area. Okay, which is right around the $180 area. So that's where JNug is eventually gonna go. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. Looks like it's kind of holding support here. We did just get a cross on the 9-day and 50-day moving averages. So I think it's got obviously some room to move to the upside. Here's your measured moves. Okay. Looks like we made a little double bottom here. Yes, sure, we can do some BTC. 1 second. All right, so 120% measured move out of this double bottom on JNug. We'll put it probably right to the 200-day moving average, if I'm not mistaken, maybe a little bit less actually. Well, let's just go 120%. Right, a little further. Right. It's a little bit past the 200-day moving average. This is a weekly chart, guys. So eventually, what will happen is we need to test this 236 for it to be an actual established bottom. Okay. And then once we break the 236, then we have measured moves anywhere from the 382 to the 618. Those are areas of common retraces, okay, coming out of a bear trend, which this isn't a very bear trend, very bearish trend. All right, Ace, is that good? Oh, you want to look at Cron? Yeah, Cron. I know. I keep talking about Cron. It's kind of trading sideways right now. We haven't yet got a confirmed buy signal, but like I keep saying, we are making higher lows here, which is, in my opinion, which is bullish. If we look at our stochastic RSI, we've already hit bottom here and we're on our way up. Okay, and if we look at the histogram here, we've got some bullish divergence forming here, and this is a weekly chart. So once the negative Momo kind of fades off here, we're gonna see a nice move to the upside. Okay, this could take a couple weeks. I say by the end of this quarter, we should see some nice action on Cron here. All right, guys. Let me get you guys some measured moves on Cron. How about that? This is a big bull flag right here. So this is essentially your flag, okay, on Cron. 94%. All right. Now this looks like kind of a descending broadening wedge pattern, right? So just this move, once we break out from top to bottom, alright, it's about a 30% move out of here. So once we get out of here, you're talking about 30%, which brings us right to the 618. Okay? I was not watching marijuana stocks today, but I see that CGC is down on the day. Yeah. Well, I mean, if you look at this whole chart, it looks pretty insane, right? Like, this chart in itself is kind of looks like chain link, right, guys? Bull pull, bull flags, you know, big dump down to the 50-day moving average, bouncing off of it. You know, rejecting the 20-day, but once we push through the 20-day moving average, this is going to get a nice golden cross, and then it's going to be gone, just like everything else. All right. So you can kind of see we're getting some hidden bullish divergence here on the RSI, right? We got some hidden bullish divergence here, all right, on the weekly. We're making higher lows on RSI. Correct. This is more of a longer term play. Yeah, I'd say by, like I said, end of third quarter, beginning of fourth quarter. Yes, for sure. And you know, if we go from bottom to top to kind of see where we've how far along we've come down. We've come down probably close to the 786. Yeah, so we've touched the 50-day moving average. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, this is a marijuana stock, but let's look at BTC. I think Alex Jackso wanted to take a look at BTC real quick. I like to use the XBT, which is the BitMEX chart. Okay. Now this is a weekly. Guys, those little arrows that I have on here are my trading signals, my buy and sell signals. I don't know if you guys see those. I mean, I'm sure you do. I can hook you guys up with these for a couple $100 for a lifetime. I don't know if you guys are interested. If you guys are interested, let me know. Can help you guys set them up. They're very helpful, especially if you're not really too familiar with how to draw your fib extensions and your measured moves and your you know, your triangles. Okay. Here we go to our 3-day chart. All right. We actually got a buy signal today on the 3-day, or yesterday maybe, and we want to see a candle close above 13.9, guys. That's what we want to see, right? We want to see that. Go to our daily chart. You can kind of see we're bouncing off the 20-day and the 9-day moving average right above the 50% retrace. So we're looking to get a candle close above 12.96. Okay. In the measure move of this inverse head and shoulders pattern is right around 20%, okay? Yeah, but I mean, this is pretty simple. I mean, you get a buy arrow, right, and then you just buy the next candle. That's how you pretty much work it. And you also get buy and sell signals on this on the Swing Trade Pro here also, which kind of you can see. But you only want to buy when you get the green. This is a little bit more confusing actually for newer guys, but the arrows are pretty helpful. I will say that. Okay. And then you gotta look at your histogram. If you're showing positive momentum, obviously you're not going to see a crash. We're not going to see a crash, right? We're just going to see maybe a little dip, a little 20-30% drop. That's normal in a bull market, guys. 30-40% corrections are normal. Okay. What other bags do you guys hold? You guys got any Litecoin or any ETH? How about we look at some ETH? Actually, this quant coin has been on a tear. I even had this whole measured moved out and everything. No, I didn't do wick to wick though. This coin's probably going to go to 30 bucks if I had to guess. We just bullishly engulfed the 618, and previous all-time highs. First Bitcoin is like right around here. Once we pass that, we're looking at let's look at our fib extensions. How come? There it goes. Alright, so yeah, here we go, man. This is like a big cup. Right? So the top of your cup to the bottom is around, is that right? 86%? Well, if we go to the candle close, right? It's actually around 488% moved from the bottom. So out of this, we're looking at 488%. 488%. This is not on log scale, ACE. All right, 488%. All right, this is the measured move of the whole shebang. So right around 0.08 Satoshi. If you do that math, what is that? Based on today's price, times what is it? 12,275. So yeah, you're looking at about $100 quant stamp, or $100 quant. All right, the whole move, the whole shebang. We'll look at ETH. Okay. This looks like it's off a little bit. Yeah. So common retrace areas, guys, on ETH. Once we pass the 236, which is around 400 bucks, we got $600 to $900 range. Price action can reverse there, or can really just keep going, depending on Bitcoin, right? So ETH, I think, is very undervalued, just like the rest of the altcoins right now. Anything else you guys want to look at real quick? I mean, we had a nice breakout today. Smash up those likes, guys. I appreciate that. Make sure you guys hit that sub and that bell so you guys know when I go live or when I put out a static video. Maybe I'll start putting out some static videos for you guys. Give you guys some market updates. I don't know if any of you guys are into making passive income, but masternodes at online, there's some nodes obviously that are good. I'm actually mining Zcoin right now. Yeah, I'll show you guys my little mining setup. Let's get some CS. Alright, alright. But yeah, so yeah, I've been mining some Zcoin, guys. Alright, just for Ace, we're gonna get some Counter-Strike in, alright? Here we go. Back to 1999. Counter-Strike. I'm probably gonna get wrecked. There's like 30 people on this server. Please.
Danger. I'm gonna get more aggressive, you know what I'm saying? This was a mistake, obviously. So...
Why would you smoke that?
4-6, I need to warm up. Let's, yeah.
Sector clear.
Time to get wrecked, Ace. Here we go, dude. There's dudes all over here.
Need backup.
Someone's dog murdered a nest of fucking, like, 10 or 12 baby rabbits today. At 5 o'clock in the fucking morning.
Bomb has been planted.
You said what now?
My dog, my pit bull, killed about 12 rabbits
Oh,
in my backyard.
Terrorists win.
wrecked.
Dude. You're gonna eat
Yeah.
them up, right?
No,
You
no,
eat
no,
rabbits?
he didn't even bite them. He was just poking them because they made the same noise. They're like, ee, ee, ee. You know, it's my fucking his story. He was just probably person, but I'm pretty sure.
I
mean,
apologize
they
for
were, like,
anyone that you
resting
hear in
their
this
hands.
game right now that's talking about
So he
rabbits
just like
and
blew
shit.
up their fucking organs and shit.
Uh,
It's fucked up. It was 5 o'clock in the morning. I thought you found a little critter, but then I realized there was more than one. And then I just stopped seeing, like, they're in a garbage bag. Outside. They're dead, don't worry.
you sure they're dead?
Probably.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Barbecue them. So people pay good money for that shit.
For what? I mean,
For rabbit, dude?
dude, it's a wild rabbit, little part. I
That's
think it was a I'm not sure.
Alright, I shut them off. Oh, come on, man. They're killing my flow.
30 seconds until explosion. 20 seconds until explosion. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Man, I'm not even holding
5,
more than a 1-to-1 ratio right now.
3, 2, 1.
Terrorists win.
They reset the... Wrecked. Dude, how are they not blind? Really? Ace, I'm getting wrecked. Oh yeah. Get some. Oh shit. Alright, I'm over it now. Got wrecked, bro. How about that maker, bro? Who's still watching my stream? Anybody? I think I just lost everyone. Weird, because I already have it, a desktop app, maybe. Maybe that's why I didn't see it. Ace. Well, alright. I think that's all for this evening, guys.